What's up, YouTube? It's Funny Mark Guy here. So today I'm doing a review. So of Hostess, snack, Hostess donuts, the powdered donuts, the powdered mini donuts. So this is just the small pack with the 6 donuts, but you can also get it in a big bag. That's like $3. This I got it yesterday with the Mountain Dew Voltage, and this was like $1.69, so that was a good deal. So I don't want to pay $3. So yeah, sorry about that. My sister's temper tantrum. So yeah, Power Donuts. I've also reviewed the chocolate ones, chocolate frosted. Those are very good. I love those. So yeah, I've had these many times. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Doesn't really smell like much, but let's give these Hostess powdered donuts a taste. Here we go. Man. I love these donuts. They're awesome. They're my favorite. Of the Hostess donuts. They also have, like I said, they also have the chocolate, the frosted ones. And they have a new one called glazed, which I might get glazed soon. I was actually wanting to get glazed. Then I saw these and they didn't have glazed, so I just got these. So these are very, very good. I love these so much. And this is just a little bit better than the chocolate ones, but the chocolate ones are very, very delicious too. These are gonna get about 9.3 out of 10, and then the frosted ones are at 9 out of 10. So they come really close. So, but it makes my fingers and stuff powdery. So, thanks for watching, and as always, say it with me. Peace out.